Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are well. Today we will discuss about world geography. The world is divided into 7 continents. Those are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. We'll go step by step to learn this whole world. Today we're gonna learn Asia, and the Asia is the largest continent on this earth. There's also a trick to learn this Asia easily, that is to divide it into 6 parts. Those parts are North Asia, East Asia, South Asia, Southeast Asia and Southwest Asia. So without wasting any time, let's move to our topic. There are 48 countries in Asia, and to learn this Asia we'll divide into 6 parts. Those I have already discussed, that is North Asia. You can see here in the top you can see it is North Asia in pink color, and Eastern Asia you can see it in this color. Central Asia you can see here in the blue color. South Asia you can see here is South Asia, and Western Asia or Southwest Asia is this one, because this one we can call it Western Asia or Southwest Asia. And the next is Southeast Asia. We can't call this East Asia, we can only call this Southeast Asia. You can see here also another pic to see this carefully. But this color doesn't exist in real. These are only imaginary to divide. Let us move to the next. The next is Northern Asia. Only Russia is in the part of Northern Asia. None of other countries are there in Northern Asia. So learning Northern Asia is very easy. So we have done Northern Asia. The next is East Asia. The country in East Asia are Mongolia, China, North Korea, South Korea and Japan. These are the countries in East Asia. We have also done Eastern Asia. The next is Central Asia. Central Asia is in Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan. These are the countries in Central Asia. We have done these 3 parts, 3 are left. And it is a closed image of Central Asia. The next is South Asia. The countries in South Asia are Afghanistan, Pakistan, and you can see this big country in red color, that is India. And here you can see Nepal. In pink color you can see here, that is Bhutan. And in this yellow color, that is Bangladesh. And in the bottom of this image, that is Sri Lanka. These are the countries in South Asia. The next is Western Asia. In Western Asia there are many countries, and I will zoom it for you so that you can learn it easily. The first you can see here, that is Georgia. In this blue orange color, that is Georgia. And this in purple color and this green color. The purple one is Armenia, and this green colored place you can see, that is Azerbaijan. And in this big country is Turkey. Let me zoom out. Yes. You can see also here is Iran, then Iraq, then Syria, and here a small country that is Cyprus. And here's also one country left, that is Lebanon. Under the Lebanon there is Israel and Palestine. Here is the Jordan, and this biggest country in this Western Asia, that is Saudi Arab. And here are also some small countries. You can see here Kuwait, and here is Bahrain. You can also see here some small countries. Here is Kuwait, then Bahrain and Qatar. These are some countries. And here you can see UAE, United Arab Emirates. And these two countries are, the red one is Yemen and the other one is Oman. So we have also done Southwest Asia. Only Southeast Asia is left. So let's see that also. The first country in Southeast Asia, that is Myanmar. Then you can see here a red colored place, that is Vietnam. And this part is Laos. This yellow colored part is Thailand. But I am again saying that these colors are only for locating the place easily. You can see here a brown colored part also, that is Cambodia. Let's see the next. The next is Malaysia, and a small country. I will zoom it for you. You can see here under or bottom of the Myanmar, you can see a smallest country, that is Singapore. That country is Singapore. And here in blue color you can see, that is Brunei. And here in purple color you can see Philippines. Two countries are left. One is the biggest island country in the world, that is Indonesia, and one is left, that is East Timor. You can see in the bottom of the Indonesia there is East Timor. So these are the countries in South Asia. We have covered all or whole Asia, and this is also a zoomed image or a clear image of Southeast Asia. Thank you guys to see my video till end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Little Home Tutor. Thank you.